name's Jordan Nixon, Jim Nixon's son. He owns Illegal Burger. I currently work in the marijuana industry at a dispensary. So I've been in the industry for about 6-7 years now. You know, I was younger, parents were not okay with me working in the industry at the time. It wasn't well accepted as it is now.
I got to be honest with you, I was kind of against it in a sense back in the day when my son Jordan was, you know, obviously around that field. I wasn't the most maybe supportive of it at the time, but what I've seen over the years and what it's done for people's lives and the transformation from people able to just enjoy a quality of life has changed my way of thinking. I'm Jim Nixon, CEO of West Coast Ventures Group Corp. And we're the owner of Illegal Burger, which is a gourmet burger concept with a bar here located in Denver, Colorado. We want to give our customers the best. We use a Never Ever product in our beef. It's a non-hormone, non-antibiotic beef, never frozen. Our buns are baked fresh on a regular basis, daily. And all our sauces are made in-house. We want to make a difference in people's lives and more of a healthy alternative as well. I have an older son who back in 2007, 2008 was diagnosed with MS.
When I got diagnosed 10 years ago, 2007, 2008, I wasn't really using cannabis at the time. In 2012 was when I decided to take control of my life and get off the shots and just stick to natural, you know, CBD. I started with a friend, Chris, and so Chris was like, here, I'll give you this CBD oil to try. And I took it for 3 months, just eating it. And I had an MRI a month later, and the doctor was kind of shocked when they saw my drastic change. You know, lesions on my brain were gone, spots that were there were previously gone. And in the meantime, while I was taking the CBD, I got off all the shots and pills the doctors were giving me because, you know, I couldn't sleep on them. They were giving me prednisone, you know, oxycodone. I don't know why, but I took it. You know, I wake up in the morning. It's like a daily vitamin now. CBD, cup of coffee, shower, get ready for the day.
And I've actually used it myself on issues that I have with my ankle issues and recovery from, you know, fitness and so forth. And I'm a huge fan of it.
You're probably gonna. For this, it might make sense to put you.
In 2018, WCVC connected with Biolog. It's a company out of California that creates these their seasoning sticks. Okay, so they went a step further and they created Canna-Stix, which is CBD infused sticks. They're little seasoning sticks that have got garlic and butter, sriracha and butter. They've got just different flavors. So the Canna-Stix are going to be utilized in our beef patties. And the cooking process is it melts and it kind of liquefies into the product and gives you a great flavor, and also you get the benefits of the CBD.
I've been waiting for this day, you know, and it's crazy. 4 years ago, parents were like, don't work in the industry, get out of it. I'm like, no, that's where the future is.